Hi, this is Vijay Bhambwani, and I'm back again to talk to you about what else, the most trending topic in the market right now. How far will silver go? So, I know you're very eager to know about silver and what has happened in the past with this semi precious, semi industrial metal. Let me just take you back in time. Silver went from approximately $6 to a troy ounce in 1979 to $49 per troy ounce in 1980. This was the handiwork of three aggressive, ambitious brothers called the Hunt brothers, and they tried to corner one third of the world's entire silver supply, barring for a government inventory, of course. They failed because the exchanges imposed a very stiff margin and a restriction on long positions in silver contracts on the COMEX. Silver collapsed 50% in four trading sessions. The Hunt brothers subsequently declared bankruptcy, and the collapse basically bankrupted thousands of other speculators. This is called Silver Thursday in the commodity market trading history. Go forward to the year 2011. Between 2008 to 2011, silver moved up on the Indian commodity exchanges from a measly 23,000 rupees a kilo to 73,600 a kilo by end of April 2011. Two things happened. The COMEX, as an action replay of 1980, more than doubled the span margins on silver contracts, and very soon thereafter, Osama bin Laden of Al Qaeda was shot down by the US Marines. The world perceived this as a sign of peace because the most wanted terrorist was dead. Silver prices collapsed just like they did in 1980. Now that silver is rising again, people, especially people like me with some amount of trading years under their belt, who are aware of the history and the trading patterns of the past, are a bit worried as to whether silver can actually reach a lifetime high again. This video is particularly for them. Let us now go back in time and see what was happening when silver went to 73,600 in April of 2011. If my memory serves me right, the US dollar to the rupee was 44 levels. Today it is at 72 levels almost. So you're basically seeing the rupee lower by over 62 or 65% against the dollar. To that extent, for silver to go up to 73,600 or 74,000 plus levels, the Indian markets need not see a price of $49 or $50 all over again. It is sufficient for the COMEX price to hit $32 per troy ounce when silver will hit a lifetime high in India. And this is assuming that the USD INR is at 72. If it goes to 73, 74 or 75, of which there is a possibility, a lifetime high in silver in India will come even before the silver prices hit maybe $30 a troy ounce in the COMEX. Remember that the Indian rupee depreciates between 3.5% to 5% per annum on a long period average, or LPA basis as it is known in economic circles. So assuming that this price is going to take about a year and a half, you may safely assume that the rupee would have depreciated approximately 5% against the dollar, which means that the price of silver needs to appreciate 5% less in the US markets. Even then, we would see a new high coming into India at say $29, $30 a troy ounce. Now, if you were to actually see a long-term chart of silver, you will see it is now bottoming out and rallying fairly convincingly. My guess is Once the US elections are done and dusted in November 2020, thereafter you're going to see an acceleration in the price of both silver and gold. And if my calculation is right, the percentage appreciation in silver is going to be somewhat higher than gold. I continue to maintain my view that for every 100 rupees that you've allocated towards bullion, by all means segregate 60 to 70 rupees in gold, but do maintain 30 to 40 rupees for silver, because silver has the potential to surprise you pleasantly this time. I have also written a detailed article on this on equitymaster.com. Please do take the effort to go through this article. I'm sure you'll find it extremely informative. Thank you. Till next time again, this is Vijay Bhambwani signing off. Have a profitable day.